Hey guys, I'm starting a new What's for Dinner compilation. This is What's for Dinner tonight. It's the Near East rice pilaf with some steamed peas, and then I made a new recipe. It's just a garlic shrimp. I'll link it down below. It came out really, really good and very excited to eat it. So you guys should definitely check this out. I'll link it in the description box of this video. We're gonna dig in and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner we're having those wings from the grill, the jalapeno corn cheddar bread that has a little bit of butter and it's nice and crispy from the grill, and the veggies are delicious and also on the grill. So the whole dinner tonight Matt did outside on the grill, and this is our dinner tonight. We're gonna dig in and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, we're having breakfast for dinner tonight. I actually had some Trader Joe's pumpkin spice pancake mix that is not expired and still good, so I made the pumpkin spice pancakes. Again, from Trader Joe's, a little butter and syrup on there, some hash brown casserole. I have a video I did on this. It's like one of my go-to sides. It's very easy and delicious. It's a lot like the Cracker Barrel hash brown casserole. So we're having some of that, and of course some bacon. So this is my husband's plate, my plate, and Grady's plate. He likes to put his own syrup on, so I'm not going to mess with this pancake, but this is our dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, as you probably guessed, we're having pizza tonight. I just used the Pillsbury, it's like refrigerated dough. It's just easy and really good. So we're having pizza with pepperoni. I just did one recently with veggies. Sometimes I just do plain cheese, which is what my son likes, but he'll just pick off the pepperoni. And I actually did some of the pizza with no pepperoni so that he wouldn't even have to worry about picking it off. But yeah, really easy dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we did some burgers on the grill. Matt has a burger and a half with some tater tots, pickle, and then he has heirloom tomato, some lettuce on this one, ketchup, mustard, heirloom tomato on this half. Grady likes it plain with just the burger and the cheese. Some little tater tots for him. And then I'm just having one burger with a ton of lettuce, tomato, a ton of onion, ketchup, mustard, some tots, and a pickle. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight we're having some teriyaki honey ribs, pork ribs, some Caesar salad, and then some homemade potato salad as well. I have a video on this potato salad which I'll link in the description box down below. And this is our dinner tonight. We will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, Matt grilled up some beef and veggie skewers and some barbecue shrimp skewers, and then we have some quinoa and then some sauteed veggies that I made earlier. I was going to use them for lunches, but we had enough left that we could make it a side dish tonight, and then I have an extra shrimp skewer to eat the last of the quinoa and veggies tomorrow for lunch. And this is our dinner tonight. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I made some beef tortellini with some pesto sauce and a little bit of Parm cheese. I actually used the Rana brand basil pesto, so I just cooked the tortellini and then tossed it in a little pesto, topped it with a little cheese, and then we're having a couple garlic knots. Matt's having two and I'm just having one garlic knot. Super easy dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight I am making Grady I made Grady a cheese quesadilla. Let me move over here. It's just some flour tortilla with a little bit of cheddar cheese and then some grapes here and then a strawberry yogurt with a water. This is one of our nights where we go to therapy after school, so we eat early and he eats sooner, so this is his dinner tonight, and we will see you guys later. Alright guys, so like I mentioned in the last clip, this is a therapy night when we go after school, and we don't get home till about 5:30, 6 o'clock. So I actually, on some of those nights, I actually prep dinner early, so I cut up some zucchini, some red and yellow sweet peppers, some baby bella mushrooms, tossed it in a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, rosemary, and thyme. And then I added some Italian sweet sausages. So literally when I get home, I just have to throw this in the oven. I will call Matt on the way home and have him preheat the oven and maybe even throw this in. It takes about 40 minutes. And then also I'll have Matt start the water for this rice pilaf, so it'll be a really easy dinner tonight. But yeah, I try to make things ahead that can be popped in the oven on nights when I know after school we have therapy or we're gonna be gone. So anyways, I will see you guys later when we get home from therapy. Hey guys, it is a couple hours later and we are home, and dinner tonight, like you saw earlier, is the roasted sweet Italian sausage. I just have 2 sausages. Matt has 3. We have the rice pilaf, and I go much heavier on the veggies, and Matt goes a little bit lighter. But anyways, this is dinner tonight, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, for dinner tonight, I'm doing taco night with one little twist. Instead of the taco shells, we're using the romaine heart leaves. And I like to do this sometimes. I like doing like chicken lettuce wraps and different things that I use the lettuce for the actual shell. So very easy, and I just have some tomatoes, some cheese, some olive. Matt will probably put some sour cream on his, and Grady will probably just have some tortilla chips with a little bit of the taco meat. He won't do any of the lettuce or the olives or anything like that. But this is our dinner tonight. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's What's for Dinner clips, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.